It's time to cut out the maybes. It's time to cut out the I hopes. It's time to cut out the it's possible that, look, it's time to cut out the in between. Meaning, look, it's time to know that it's done. See, look, y'all, check it out. My bad, y'all. Just in case you're new to this channel, I am Shara the Goddess, and I am here to bring consciousness, awareness to the next level in your so-called experience that we like to call life. But anyway, back to what I was talking about. It's time to cut out the doubt. It's time to cut out the 1 foot in, the 1 foot out. It's time to eliminate that, y'all. It's time to eliminate any doubt, any what ifs. What if, that whole what if, when you what if some stuff, y'all, you got to understand, understand how the mind works. When you say, oh, it might happen, but what if it don't? What if like, you got to understand, as soon as you entertain that what if, that's taking you into that timeline of what if. Like, that's all you're going to experience is that doubt timeline, that what if. As soon as you make a conscious decision to go with the other story, the other narrative, you are consciously creating that in that moment. And it becomes like a constant pattern. And it's, let me tell y'all this, it happens so quickly that you don't even realize that you're doing it. Like, because it, like, you got to understand, like, life is happening right now in this very like, just like they said on the movie The Matrix, when I believe it was I forgot which character it was, but I think it was Morpheus, when he was like, the Matrix is right now with you. Even in this room, the Matrix is everywhere. Like, y'all got to know that the AI Matrix, even in this moment as you're listening to me talk, the AI is listening with you. The AI sees what you are reacting, how you're responding. It can see, it knows everything. It's like a spy. And its job is to make you not go with the new reality. Its job is to make you stay in that what if zone, that doubt zone, that, oh, maybe this or maybe that I hope that, that's what its job is, to give you emotions, so-called feelings, to make you not go with the new algorithm, to not make you step into that new paradigm. That's what the AI job is to do right now as I'm talking to you. Is a constant thing that is happening in all moments of every day, all seconds of every day. It's a distraction to get you not to go fully in. So, y'all, we got to cut out the doubts, the what ifs, the I hopes. No, it's done. It's complete. You got to be one with the manifestation, with the new idea, with the knowing that you are a real manifester, a real God in the flesh. It's time to just know that. And when I say know that, because this is something that I even had to begin to practice in my life, y'all. Because I always tell y'all, there's a difference between believing something and knowing something. But a lot of the times, like, trust and believe, y'all know this information at this point. We know this information at this point, but the thing is, we know it mentally. But knowing it mentally is not enough. You got to physically be out here in the groove. You have to be ahead of the AI. Being that I just told y'all that the AI is right now in this moment, you got to completely dominate the 3D. You got to completely dominate the AI algorithm, because the AI algorithm is happening in all seconds of every day. So if you lacking, let's just say you just sitting there just wondering and trying to figure shit out, and like, no, you know all the answers already. You done watched enough YouTube videos. You done got more than enough downloads from your ancestors, from the universe. You know what to do. Come on now, you know what to do. It's just that you may be allowing that AI to keep stepping in, to make you doubt it, to make you what if it, to make you have that thought, to be like, man, this shit ain't true for real. Like that's a story. As soon as you step into that other vibration of that what if, that doubt, that fear, that whatever, that low vibration, that becomes the story of your life in that second. It's like just say you was on the right path, but then here come that negative thought, or here come that low vibrational situation, and it sends you on a detour that quick. And you wonder, like, damn, I was just doing good, or I believed it 5 minutes ago, but now, like, shit, I don't know. That's that AI. That AI kicked in on your ass. That AI took over and put you in a hypnotic trance. Now you don't know if you coming or going. Now you don't know what to believe. Look, y'all, we past that level. We past that level. No, if you knew better, you do better. That's how it is. Like, you can't say you know something, but you ain't putting it into motion. You got to be out here. You got to be out here living it. And I know I done said this before, but hey, we got to keep reinforcing the new energy. Like, I was talking to you know what, forget all that. I was about to say something irrelevant. But look, I'm here to tell y'all, look, to completely dominate and destroy the 3D, you got to keep up. You got to dominate. You got to be ahead of the AI. And the AI, as soon as you click off this video, the AI gonna be right there with you. As soon as you're done getting off the internet, period, the AI right there with you. And when I say the AI, y'all know what I'm talking about. Y'all know exactly what I'm talking about. Just that low vibrational 3D. We ascending to the fucking 9D. We going past the 5D, y'all. You gotta understand, like, look, you are limitless. Limitless. You are the Godhead creator. So we got to really start life is a performance. Life is a performance. If you ain't out here performing, then I don't know, but you sleep. You still sleep. You got to know that you have been living a 3D mundane life. It's time to get rid of that. It's time to reinvent yourself. Recreate yourself. Like, just do what you used to do when you was coming up. Y'all know, like, back in the day, you used to have fun. Like, you ain't need no money to have fun. You ain't need, now you just was living your best life. So you got to get back in that energy. And then just be consciously aware of what's going on still, what you're doing. You can really recreate and shape your reality. You can really recreate yourself, recreate different new things about yourself. Just start having fun, just overriding the AI. I don't give a damn what you say out your mouth. Like, if you're doing something, you're saying something that's more powerful than what the AI is showing you, forget your 3D circumstances. The 3D circumstances don't matter. They are just reflections of when you didn't know no better. But now you know better, so it's like you can't make these same excuses like the bots. You're not a bot. You're not a robot in the Matrix. You're not a CGI. You a real life soul star. So it's like, that's why I don't even really focus on talking about the reptilians no more like that. You know, I still talk my little shit, you know, bring awareness to y'all every now and then, but that ain't my focus no more, y'all. I'm the if I'm the fucking magician, why? It's pointless for me to stay on that timeline. Like I said, I dibble and dabble every now and then, but for real, y'all, I don't be want to talk about that shit no more. I'm like, come on, there is so many infinite possibilities out here for me and for you. So why waste time just sitting around talking about some motherfuckers that you know you better than? Like, why would I stay on that? Like, it's pointless. Like, and I noticed a lot of times, a lot of us chosen ones, we get caught up in that. Like, you know, okay, you found out about the reptilians, you found out about how you're being brainwashed and this and that. But it's like I told y'all in the other video, what the hell you gonna do about it? Because they know that you know. They are aware that your ass is aware. So now they're like, okay, you're going to be a bot? You're going to let me keep doing this? Because as long as you keep feeding the beast is going to continue to eat. You think, come on now, if the beast ain't going to try to help you or save you, you got to help you and save you. The beast going to keep on eating as long as you feed it. So it's like, come on now, y'all. We can't just sit around keep talking about, this. They irrelevant at this point. So it's like I said, it's still cool to be aware of what's going on every now and then. Like I said, I'll bring y'all some info. But other than that, y'all, I'm in my magic bag right now. I'm in my magical bag right now. Like, I don't got time to be sitting around just talking about uh, low vibrational things and the reptilians, this or the Pleiades. Fuck them. They look, y'all, you the magician. Know that. Own that. It's time to dominate the 3D. Let's get it going. Like, y'all, we got this. It's so much creative energy here that is ridiculous. It's so much creative energy here, so many things that you can do, but you got to constantly keep shifting, and every second keep leveling yourself up. And first and foremost, you got to know that, okay, the AI is trying to put you under a spell through the TV, the fucking food you put in your body, the goddamn the matrix is in all seconds. So it's your responsibility to take your own self out of that mental trance. And you got to know you can't just do it by thinking like, oh shit, let me pop out of this trance. If you say that, but then your body's still feeling fucked up, you still feeling bad, like, no, you got to move the body, you got to distract yourself. I told y'all this like a lot, like, y'all, meditation ain't about goddamn sitting around arming yourself to death. No, meditation, you got to be in the groove. You got to be out here moving your body, because they are constantly projecting low vibrational frequencies to put you in a fucking trance all day. Right now, wherever you at, is like unseen forces trying to fucking drain your energy. So just know that it's time to completely destroy and dominate the 3D. It's time to destroy it. And the only way you're going to do it, eliminate the doubts, eliminate the what ifs, to eliminate the hopes, to eliminate all of that. And I know this even for myself. I always say, I hope y'all like, fuck that. I'm eliminating the word hope. No, it is done. It is complete. Everything that you want is here. Become one with it. And like I always tell y'all, as long as it's in accordance with these universal laws, you can have it. It is done. Point blank, period. Let me get out of here, y'all. And let me say this too. I appreciate y'all like a motherfucker for like really tuning in. There's a lot of y'all that keep coming back, keep watching the videos. You know what I'm saying? I know that, I've been on a different little route. Like I said, just talking about law of assumption a lot, talking about these laws and stuff like that. Cause y'all, we in that era right now. We in that season. It's up from now. So I appreciate you for always coming back, watching these videos. And that's all I got to say. I'm going to go ahead and get out of here. I got to create my day. I got stuff to do. You got stuff to do too. Trust and believe you got stuff to do, even if you think you don't. Look, you got your mind. So that long as you got your mind, you got yourself, and you still here in this realm, you got stuff to do. You got to be out here creating, coming up with ideas, coming up with just create. Have a good time when you're creating. Smile, laugh, feel good. Turn on some music. Do something fun while you're creating. The energy is here to serve you. Know that. Anyway, till the next time, I am Shara the Goddess. Take care of your energy. I'm out. Peace.